Welcome back. I'm A, and today I'm revealing 7 passive income ideas you can start in 2025 in the USA with just $100. Whether you're a student, working a 9 to 5, or just want to diversify your income, these strategies are for you. I've tried most of these myself, and trust me, it's not about how much you start with, but about getting started. Ready to take action? Hit like, subscribe, and let's jump in. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's dive into some actionable steps you can take right now to kickstart your passive income journey. First up, high-yield savings accounts. These are often overlooked, but they're a fantastic place to begin. Simple, but powerful. They represent an easy entry point into the world of earning money while you sleep. It's about making your money work for you, even when you're not actively working. With as little as $100, you can open an account. That's right, you don't need a fortune to get started. It's about taking that first step, no matter how small. And you can do it at banks like Ally or Marcus, or a number of other online institutions that offer competitive rates. These banks are designed to be user-friendly and accessible from anywhere. The best part? You'll earn interest far above the national average. We're talking about significantly higher returns than you'd find in a traditional savings account. This is free money just for keeping your cash in the right place. The process is quick, it's designed to be seamless and efficient. You simply apply online, providing some basic information. Then, transfer your money electronically, and you're set. It's all done from the comfort of your own home. And here's a crucial point. Your funds are FDIC insured, up to $250,000 per depositor per insured bank. So your money is safe and sound while it grows. You can rest easy, knowing your savings are protected. Even a modest 4% annual interest can make a difference. And that interest compounds over time, quietly growing your savings without you having to lift a finger. It's the magic of compound interest at work. The key to really maximizing this? Keep adding to it. Consistency is key. $20 here whenever you can spare it. $50 there. Every little bit counts. And then, just let compounding do the work. It's a snowball effect. The more you save, the faster it grows. High-yield accounts are also liquid, meaning so you can access your money anytime you need it, without penalties or restrictions. This makes them perfect for building an emergency fund or saving for short-term goals, like a vacation or a down payment. Here's a pro tip: set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your high-yield savings account. This automates the savings process and helps you build your savings effortlessly without even thinking about it. So, if you want a risk-free, set it and forget it start to passive income and building a solid financial foundation, this is it. It's a simple, effective, and accessible way to begin your journey. It's not flashy or exciting, but it's reliable. But it's the foundation for real financial security and a stepping stone towards more advanced passive income strategies. It's about building a solid base upon which you can grow your wealth. Next, let's talk about dividend-paying stocks. These are a fantastic way to build wealth over time, and they offer a unique advantage compared to other investment options. We're going to delve into how they work and why they should be a part of your investment strategy. Dividend-paying stocks are where your money actually works for you, even while you sleep. It's about putting your capital to use in a way that generates passive income. Think of it as planting a seed that grows into a tree, bearing fruit year after year. With user-friendly apps like Robinhood, investing in dividend stocks has never been easier. Or Fidelity, these platforms provide access to a wide range of stocks and investment tools right at your fingertips. The best part is, you can buy fractional shares. This means you don't need a lot of money to get started. You can own a piece of top companies for as little as $1. It's an accessible way to enter the world of investing, regardless of your budget. Dividends are regular payments from company profits distributed to shareholders as a reward for their investment. It's money you earn simply for owning the stock. You don't have to actively trade or manage anything. The company shares its success with you. This is the essence of passive income. Reinvest those dividends. Don't just spend them, put them back to work, and you'll see the snowball effect. This is the power of compounding, where your earnings generate more earnings, creating a virtuous cycle of growth. As your income grows, so does your potential for further investment and wealth accumulation. Start with Dividend Aristocrats. These are a great place to begin your dividend investing journey. These are companies with a long history of not just paying dividends, but consistently increasing those payouts year after year. This demonstrates financial stability and a commitment to rewarding shareholders. Of course, stocks do carry risk. The market can fluctuate, and company performance can impact stock prices. But diversifying your portfolio across different sectors and reinvesting your dividends can significantly mitigate those risks and set you up for long-term growth and financial security. Even small payments are proof that you're on the right track. They're a tangible reminder that your money is working for you, generating income while you focus on other things. Most apps offer a wealth of educational tools and pre-built portfolios designed for dividend investing, making it even easier to get started. These resources are designed to help you get started, understand the basics, and make informed decisions. Do your research, understand the companies you're investing in, and their dividend history. Invest what you can afford, without putting undue strain on your finances. Start small and gradually increase your investments as you become more comfortable, and stay consistent with your investment strategy. Regular, disciplined investing is key to long-term success. Over time, with consistent investment and reinvestment, those small dividends can compound and become a real, substantial income stream, providing you with financial freedom and security. Now let's switch gears and explore a fascinating alternative in the world of finance: peer-to-peer lending. We're moving away from traditional institutions for a moment to consider a more direct approach to investing and lending. This is where you step into a new role, where you become the bank. You're no longer just a depositor, you're an active participant in the lending process, directly connecting with borrowers. Platforms like LendingClub, Prosper, and others have emerged as key players in this space, facilitating these direct connections. These platforms let you lend your $100, or even smaller amounts, to individuals or small businesses seeking funding for various purposes, from consolidating debt to expanding their operations. And in return for providing this capital, you earn interest on the loans you fund. This interest represents your return on investment, making your money work for you. To mitigate risk, your money is typically split across multiple loans, rather than being concentrated in a single borrower. This diversification is a key strategy in peer-to-peer lending. By spreading your investments across numerous loans, you're effectively reducing risk. If one borrower defaults, the impact on your overall portfolio is minimized. One of the appealing aspects of peer-to-peer lending is that returns can be higher than traditional savings accounts or even some low-yield investments. Depending on the platform and the risk profile of the loans you choose, returns can range from, say, 4% to 8% or even more in some cases. This potential for higher returns is a significant draw for many investors. However, it's crucial to remember that these loans aren't FDIC insured, unlike deposits in traditional banks. This means your investment isn't guaranteed by the government. Consequently, there's always a risk of default, where a borrower is unable to repay their loan. This is an inherent risk in any lending activity. To manage this risk effectively, diversify your loans across a wide range of borrowers and risk categories. And, as with any investment, only invest what you can afford to lose. Never put yourself in a position where a potential loss would significantly impact your financial well-being. Keep in mind that your money is typically tied up for a few years, as borrowers repay their loans over time. This is not a short-term, highly liquid investment. However, some platforms offer early exit options, allowing you to sell your loan portfolio on a secondary market if you need access to your funds sooner. Be aware that these options may come with fees or potential losses. If you like the idea of helping others achieve their financial goals and are seeking potentially higher returns than traditional savings accounts, then peer-to-peer lending is definitely worth a closer look and some careful consideration. It's a different way to invest. It's a unique way to put your $100 to work, directly supporting individuals and businesses while potentially earning a solid return. Beyond the financial returns, it's also an opportunity to learn about lending from the inside, gaining valuable insights into the world of finance and credit. Let's get creative: print-on-demand products. With platforms like Etsy or Redbubble, you can launch an online store with minimal upfront cost. Create a design, upload it, and the platform handles printing, shipping, and customer service. Use free tools like Canva to make eye-catching designs, or hire affordable freelancers. Once your designs are live, they can earn money for months or years with no extra effort. Invest your $100 in marketing or learning basic SEO to boost your sales. Success takes time, but the potential is huge. Some turn this into a full-time business. If you want a fun, scalable, passive income stream, print-on-demand is a great option. Next up, digital products. Create once, sell forever. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy let you sell ebooks, templates, or courses with just a $100 investment. No inventory, no shipping, just pure digital sales. Use your $100 for design tools, a microphone, or targeted ads to get your first sales. Package your knowledge, budget templates, meal plans, or mini courses into digital formats. Free tools like Canva or Google Docs make content creation easy. Focus on solving real problems for your audience to boost sales and word of mouth. As your product library grows, so does your passive income. If you have skills or knowledge to share, digital products are one of the most profitable ways to start. Want to invest in real estate with just $100? Enter REITs, Real Estate Investment Trusts. Platforms like Fundrise let you buy shares in real estate portfolios, earning a share of the income. No landlord headaches, just collect dividends, usually paid quarterly. REITs offer liquidity so you can buy or sell shares anytime. Many have a track record of steady returns and growing dividends. There are risks, values can fluctuate, and dividends aren't guaranteed. But diversification helps. Reinvest your dividends and add to your investment over time for real growth. If you want real estate exposure without a huge upfront cost, REITs are a smart, simple choice. Finally, let's talk robo-advisors automated investing for effortless growth. With platforms like Betterment or Wealthfront, you can start with $100 and let algorithms handle everything. Answer a few questions, and the platform builds a diversified portfolio for you. They rebalance, reinvest dividends, and optimize for taxes automatically. Fees are low, usually around 0.25%, so more of your money stays invested. Set up automatic deposits and watch your investments grow over time. Markets go up and down, but consistency and patience pay off. For a hands-off, low-cost way to build passive income, robo-advisors are hard to beat. Before you jump in, always do your own research. Every investment has risks and rewards. Start small, learn as you go, and pick what fits your goals. Which idea are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, subscribe and turn on notifications for more wealth-building tips. Until next time, keep hustling and investing in yourself.